If you're in the market for real estate in India, you've probably heard of Magicbricks. But does it really live up to the hype? Today, I'm diving into the platform to see if it's worth your time and money. Magicbricks is essentially a digital marketplace for real estate in India, connecting buyers, sellers, and renters. The platform boasts an extensive database of properties ranging from residential to commercial spaces. One of the standout features is the user-friendly interface that allows you to filter searches based on location, price, and property type, making it easier to find what you're looking for. However, while the search functionality is solid, some users report that the property listings can be inconsistent. I noticed that some listings had outdated information, which could lead to frustration during your search. The platform also offers a variety of tools like property valuation and market insights, which can be useful for making informed decisions. But there's still a bit of a learning curve for new users, especially when it comes to navigating the more advanced features. Overall, it feels like a promising tool for anyone looking to dive into the Indian real estate market, but it's not without its quirks. Now let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Magicbricks offers a vast selection of properties and a fairly intuitive user interface. It's great for first-time buyers who need a bit of guidance. However, the platform does have its downsides. Some users have pointed out that the information can be outdated or misleading, which can lead to wasted time and effort. Additionally, the customer service experience seems to be hit or miss. Some users have reported slow responses when they reach out for help. Pricing can also be a concern, especially if you're looking to list a property, as their premium features might not be worth it for everyone. It's definitely a platform that may suit casual buyers and renters, but seasoned investors might find the inconsistencies frustrating. In conclusion, Magicbricks has potential for those looking to explore real estate in India, but it's essential to approach it with caution. If you're a first-time buyer or renter, it could be a useful tool, but seasoned investors may want to consider alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, but keep your expectations realistic.